Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Karibu sana, karibu sana. So today we're working on the most delicious yogurt bark recipes. Yogurt bark is really good, mostly now that it's summer and the heat is doing its thing. It's very hot, so this is a really easy lunch recipe, snack recipe, just to help you cool down. And it's no bake, no cook, no effort, but extremely healthy and high protein. So you're going to start off with some full fat Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt because it doesn't have a lot of sweetness, and it's good and healthy for your gut microbiome. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey just to give it a bit of sweetness. And to add in the protein, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. For option number 2, we are going with a very chocolate kind of theme. So for this one, I'm still adding Greek yogurt. I'm adding a smaller portion, half of the tab. So the tab is 500 grams. So this is like 250 grams Greek yogurt, full fat. If you don't use full fat, then you find your yogurt bark becomes very watery when you're consuming it. But full fat gives you enough time to consume it and enjoy it to the fullest. So to make it more high protein, I added a bit of flax seeds, and I also added a bit of cocoa powder, which is really delicious and also adds the chocolatey depth. I will also sprinkle a bit of honey at the very end of the toppings section, so don't worry about the sweetness. I will add a bit of natural sweetener, and then you just mix up everything, and then we go to the toppings. So for the toppings, I went with my favorite things. So you just have to decide your favorite fruit, favorite chocolate, and favorite nuts. That's how I thought about it. I had some delicious juicy pomegranate seeds, some blueberry, some dates, some dark chocolate, strawberries, raspberries, and pistachios. These are my absolutely favorite things. So adding them makes sure that I actually consume the yogurt bark and don't just leave it chilling in the fridge. So I make sure I have two separate settings. So for the first one is the plain base. For the plain base, remember we added yogurt, chia seeds, and honey. And then for the chocolate base, I then added cocoa powder, flax seeds, and I'll drizzle a bit of honey at the very end of it. So this is low sugar, high protein kind of snack, which is no bake, no effort, very sweet, and very delicious. So to make sure I have 3 different flavors, I just section them as they are on the tray. So for the first side, I have strawberry and raspberry. And then on the middle section, I have blueberry and cranberry seeds. And then at the very end, I have dark chocolate, pistachios, and dates. such an elite combination, to be honest. So these are 3 different recipes, and you can enjoy them in the same day, or you can just enjoy them separately, but they are so delicious. Remember, with these recipes, they are no bake, low effort, high protein recipes, so make sure you try them. The mistake that I did when making this recipe was the pan that I put it in. I put it in a ceramic pan, which takes longer. So I would actually advise you to put it in a metal pan, and it will stay there for like 3 to 4 hours, and then you'll have your snack. For mine, it stayed longer. It stayed for like 6 hours, but also it's really equally delicious. So if you've gotten to this part of the video, please kindly subscribe. I have just seen my analytics, and almost 90% or 80% of my viewers have not subscribed. If you want to help me out to grow this channel, just subscribe, and I promise you, you will always have absolutely delicious recipes on your feed. And also, thank you very much for watching. At this point, leave a comment on some toppings that you'd like to add on your own yogurt bark. And also, if you'll try this recipe, it's so delicious. I love it, and I've been enjoying it for the past 2 weeks, and it's really easy to even carry, as long as you just put it in the freezer. So when you're storing it, just put it in the freezer, and when you just need it, take a few pieces and return the left over pieces in the freezer, since it's frozen fruit and frozen yogurt.